I'm going to review a Kolpin plow kit that I got off of eBay. It was one of the cheaper plows. It was about, I think it was like $466 or something like that with the kit. It came with the plow bit blade, the push tubes, and the mount kit. This is not a universal mount. It was a mount designed for my Polaris 1996 Polaris Magnum 425. I got it all mounted up. The mount's actually not bad. It's really thick steel. It fits perfect in the pre-drilled mount holes that comes with standard on this unit. I had to take the chain guard off in order to get down in here where the bolts go. Got that bolted up. It's got 2 pins in there that hold the push tubes on. I was very impressed on the thickness of the steel on this plow. It sits up rather high. It's got a nice thick steel wear bar at the bottom. It's got perforated steel as well, which adds for the strength of the plow blade. Got it hooked up to a winch I got. I don't remember where I got that. It might have been Amazon. It's a 2,000 pound winch. Put the winch on it probably near 10 years ago in hopes that I will eventually get a plow. But now I have it. The one thing I did find though is that it doesn't come up very high off the ground. It's probably only, I don't know, about 4 or 5 inches off the ground. I wish it did come up higher. It comes over here and it hits the front bumper skid plate. I'm thinking I might want to get some rubber pads or something to put under there so it doesn't come up and hit that. Maybe grind this down just a bit so it comes up just maybe an inch higher. But it's got a 5-position swivel. Just pull that, turn that, and it clears my tires. This 4-wheeler's got some really big tires. I think they're like 25 inches. I just put last summer I put some new Sun F tires on it. Like I said, I did have to take the chain guard off in order to get to those 2 bolts, and then there's bolts on the other side as well you can get to, but there's nothing you gotta take off over on this side. They're just accessible right there and right there. I've had this 4-wheeler about 11 or 12 years. It's been a pretty good workhorse. As you can see, I got these taken out. These are fog lights, but they're like dummy. There's nothing plugged in. There's just a plastic cover on them. There's just nothing. So I bought on Amazon, I got some LED lights right here that I'm going to put in. I'll screw those in there and then wire them up. And these do power on with the low light headlight. But yeah, I think it was a really thick, heavy steel, square push tubes, really thick mount plate, really heavy duty springs. I'm very impressed with a $500 plow. But that is it.